I know you love music. The kids love music. Everybody likes shaking to music. Alright? But have you asked yourself, can you also earn money listening to your favorite music? How would this make you feel? Will you be listening to music then in the daytime and in the night? What if I tell you that you can make extra income listening to your favorite music, alright, that you love to listen to every time? Yes, you can make money with this. All you just need to have is PayPal. You can make money to your PayPal account, listen to your favorite music artist. This is a very good opportunity for you music lovers, that you don't just listen to music for fun alone, okay? You can also listen to music and earn extra money. In this video, I will show you a website you need to join now and start earning money just by listening to your favorite music. Welcome back, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I do create video that show people how to make money online, alright? And if you subscribe to my channel now, I will send you notification and update anytime when I create videos on how to make money online. Make sure you smack that like button, alright? And also let me know which country you are living, which country you come from, alright? So I will make videos that shows how to make money that really work well for your country, alright? So with that being said, let's move on in today's video. There's this 3 cool website I want to show you that you can literally make side income, alright, just by listening to music, alright? So the first one I want to show you is this website here, okay? Just make sure you stay to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I'm also going to leave a bonus and I will be revealing the name of this website, okay, alright? So okay, let's go. The first one I'm going to show you is this website here, alright? What you just need to do here is that you can earn money when you rate music, alright? All you need to do is that you rate music from other artists, you listen to their music, and you then leave a comment. You write how you feel about the music. If you don't like the music, you may write you hate it or you like it. And yeah, this is all what you need to do with this video, alright? And after then you earn point, okay? And with this point, it's what you can reveal, is what you can redeem then later to money, alright? But the first website I'm going to show you to make the earning from all this website work is that you need to have a PayPal account, alright? For people who don't know PayPal, you just need to go to Google, alright, and write PayPal, alright? And you then go sign up for PayPal for free, alright? You want to sign a personal account, you want to go to PayPal, alright, and sign for personal account, alright? This is what you need to make this work for you, alright? This is a good side hustle method, alright? So after you have PayPal account, because all these platform I'm going to show you, all this website I'm going to show you really pays into PayPal. So all you need to do is that you want to click this up here. First of all, you go sign up with this platform, alright, with your email address, and that's all, okay? And then you're ready to use this platform, alright? Okay, after rating on the point you earn on this platform, you can then transfer it to Amazon gift card, okay? You can transfer it to Amazon gift card for $20 Amazon gift card, or $50 Amazon gift card, or even $100 Amazon gift card, alright? So that brings me now to the next platform I want to show you to earn money online. Okay, this platform is also, it is a very cool one. Okay, you just earn money by listening to broadcast. Okay, I think all what you need to make, for this second platform is that you need your cell phone. Okay, you just need to dial a number, and then as you see here, after signing up, you choose a number to dial. Make sure always perform a short test. Okay, you just need to perform a short test, and after that you get money, you get paid, guys. All right, you get point, and with this point you can then, this point is what you change it to money, and this money they'll pay to your PayPal, guys. So easy as that. All right, it's the same website I'm showing you. Okay, you can just it's a very cool website, guys. You just need to go and sign up. All right, and then you will receive a call test. All right, you will choose a number to dial, and after you just need to dial this number, and you are then going to land in a podcast. All right, you listen to this podcast and you're going to get points for that, and this point is what you're then later going to change to money. You're going to redeem it to money straight into your PayPal. Okay, as you can see, you get paid, you reap the benefit and enjoy spending all that extra cash that you're going to make with this website, guys. All right, as you see here, you just need to go to sign up, and then it will bring you to the sign up process, and then you're ready. After you sign up, you're ready then to use this platform. You get a speedy payment. You can choose from weekly or monthly payment. It depends on you, guys. All right, it's either send it to your bank, they transfer it to your bank, all right, direct, or you get it with PayPal. All right, or you can even get it with Bitcoins. All right, it's very easy, guys. Or you get an Amazon voucher. So as you see here, they will constantly generate and refresh a list of access number for you to dial. So you just need to dial this number and to bring it to a podcast that you're going to listen to, and after this process you get points for each time that you dial this number. All right, and follow up this process. So you get points for this, and with this point you can use to you can redeem it to your PayPal account. All right, so this is very cool about it. All right, so this brings me to my number one recommendation is this platform here, guys. All right, as you see here, also they get, let me just highlight it for you, we pay by net 30 via PayPal. All right, so if you have a PayPal account, you can also join this platform, this website, and earn money for it. In a minute I will tell you what you need to do to earn money on this website. All right, let's just go through it. If you want to register, you're just going to go here and click on the sign up now button. Okay, the registration is 100% free, and their system is easy to use. All right, you can see their live statistic here. All right, they have, as of now, 94,117 members. Okay, and they have right now 1,411 people listening worldwide to radios on this platform. All right, as you can see in here, in Africa, everywhere, guys. Okay, I don't know where you come from. You can just go and see. You can even see your country here to make you know that you are eligible to this platform. To make you know that it works in your country, you can look at, let me just highlight it for you guys. Okay, it's the right there. You can use our service worldwide. We support every country. All right, so you're not left out. Okay, guys, you're not left out, because mostly I do get this comment that I come from so country. Is my country allowed with this platform? So you can see that this works worldwide. Write it here, so this will give you an assurance that your country is also accepted on this platform. So you can easily just go and you just need to go down here and sign up and follow the registration process, and after that you're ready to earn money with this platform. And in short, what you need to do to earn money in this platform is to earn money in this platform. Okay, you earn money every 15 minutes. Okay, every 15 minutes you get, for every 15 minutes you listen to this radio, you get points. And this point, like I say again, it's what you can, is this point you will redeem it to money, and this money will be paid straight direct to your PayPal account. All right, so how to earn money on this platform is that you have 3 radio station here on this platform that you can listen to. Okay, you want to go to this one, the first radio station, or the second radio station, or the third radio station. This is the type of music you want to listen to. All right, they have a mixed music, they have a dance mixes, and they have a easy listening. All right, this is type of music that you want to listen to. Maybe you are the type that like listening to music when you're working at home. I mean, when you're doing your homework, or when you are tidying up your house or your flat. All right, or you're working in the garden. Okay, or you're just working on your project at home. All right, so these are music that you can listen to. This easy listening music, for example, you just need to leave it running. All right, this is a money making machine. Okay, for just listening to music. All right, so let's just make a test. Let me just show you how it works. You want to go here to this start radio and click on it. All right, as you see here, it will show you something like this. Okay, where you need to press play and start listening to the music. It will show you a banner. All right, it will also show you a banner. This banner is how this company make money with these guys. So this money that they make with this through this banner advertisement, you will also earn a bit from this money. Okay, so it's win-win from both sides. All right, so to listen to music, you want to just go, if this is not present, I mean, if this play is not in the black color, you just want to go here and open this in a legacy mode. All right, and you can then press play and you can just press play to start listening to music. All right, this is the concert music, guys. All right, guys. Or let me just play another one for you guys so you can see. We can go to this. Let's go to this mixed, to the number with the first radio station. You can just listen to this type of music here on this platform. You can go to radio 1 or radio 2 or radio 3. You can choose anyone you like from this radio station and just click on the radio station and start listening to music. Mind you guys, you earn points every 15 minutes you listening to music on this video. All right, guys, the name of the first website is eatpredator.com. all right, you can just go to Google and Google it and search for eatpredator.com. all right, that was the first one. And the second website is called Cash for Minutes. All right, you can just easily, like I said, you can just easily Google it and search. I mean, you can just go to Google and search for cashforminute.com. all right, and the third one, and that's my number 1 recommendation, it's called radioN.com. all right, you can just go and search for radioN.com. It's either you just go to your URL and write radioN.com, coment.com and sign up to the website to be able to start, to be eligible to start earning points, which you will redeem to money in your PayPal that you can withdraw with your PayPal account. All right, so these are the three website. All right, guys, just because this this platform I show you guys, you need to do something to earn money on it. What if when you stop listening to this music, you won't earn any money with this? All right, so if you want me to teach you exactly how to earn money on autopilot, all right, this works very good. It has worked very good for me. This is my secret strategy. I will reveal it to you. All you need to do is just go to my first link. All right, I will leave my first link. You just need to click on it and it will bring you to a sign up form where I'll be sending you my secret weapon on how I grow from 0 to 4,000 per week. All right, I'll walk you through hand in hand, okay, on how to make money. I don't say this may work different for you guys, all right, because it depends on how much effort you're going to put in it. All right, so that's it. This method I'm going to show you then is that the first time you need to put much effort. All right, you just need to set it at the beginning. You need to set everything on autopilot, and after that one you can then relax and the money will come even when you're sleeping. All right, this how is it, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because every week I do create different methods on how to make money online. So if you want to be the first person to get that website or to get that app, all right, make sure you also click the notification bell button, because I will send you an update and notification every time when I create new video like this one. All right, so also leave comments in this video, guys. Also leave comment below, guys. Let me know the country you live in, so I can show you strategies and method, and or show you websites that work really well in your country. All right, so with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.